This letter comes at a fascinating time. The savings and the loan crisis is unfolding, the economy is entering recession, and many investors are panicking. Yet, Buffett uses this environment to make one of his most brilliant investments, a major stake in Wells Fargo Bank when everyone else was playing financial stocks. Let's start with look through earnings. The insight out here: to understand your true investment returns, you must look beyond the reported dividends to include your share of retained earnings from companies that you own stakes in. Buffett's perspective out here: Warren Buffett explains that we believe the best way to think about our earnings is in terms of look-through results. He shares an example. He says that take 250 million, which is roughly our share of 1990 operating earnings retained by our investees. Subtract 30 million for the incremental taxes we would have owed had the 250 million being paid to us in dividends. And add the remainder 220 million to our reported operating earnings of 371 million. Thus, our 1990s look-through earnings were about 590 million. Why does it matter? This concept reveals the true earning power of holding companies and helps explain why Berkshire's intrinsic value grows faster than its retained earnings suggest. This leads us to the second wisdom nugget, which is pessimism creates opportunity. The insight out here: market pessimism, while psychologically uncomfortable, creates the best long-term buying opportunities for patient investors. Buffett's perspective out here: Warren Buffett writes that the most common cause of low prices is pessimism, sometimes pervasive, sometimes specific to a company or specific to an industry. Market pessimism, while psychologically uncomfortable, creates the best long-term buying opportunities for patient investors. We want to do business in such an environment not because we like pessimism, but because we like the prices that it produces.